Hey guys, welcome back again. This is Mont, your trusted real estate broker. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Avida Village Series Nuvali. Ayan. And papakita ko sa inyo yung isang house and lot unit for sale dito sa Avida Village Series Nuvali. Okay, samahan niyo po ako. Alright, this is the house. The lot area is 88 square meters and the floor area is 50 square meters po. This is designed for a 2-bedroom unit. Okay, dito sa Avida Village Series Nuvali. Okay, ito yung front niya. Yan. Ito yung kalsada niya. Malalapad yung kalsada. Yan. And then, pasok tayo sa loob. Yan. So, dito naman, papakita ko sa inyo yung parking side. And this is the parking side. Ayan. 1-car garage lang and pwede kayong mag-extend ng kitchen dito sa likod. Kasi may easement pa. May extra lot pa dito sa likod. Ayan. Hanggang dito yung perimeter niya. Ayan. So, ayan yung likod. Okay, balik tayo sa harap. Okay, this is the front door. The main door. Ayan. And then, pagpasok nyo, ito bare unit lang siya. Hindi siya natirahan kasi since na-turn over yung unit. Ayan siya. So, ito yung magiging kitchen nyo, dining area, and living area dito part na to. Okay, and then 1 toilet and bath. Ito yung toilet and bath. Marami lang siyang gagawin pa. Ayan. So, hindi naka-pintura yung interior niya kasi hindi pa ito natirhan since turnover. So, ganito yung likod. So, sa taas naman, ito yung second floor. Okay, this is designed for a 2-bedroom unit. Pero kung gawing 3-bedroom unit, pwede rin po. Oh. I-extend lang yung floor area dun sa may parking side. So, ayan. So, if you're interested po to invest a house and lot here in Avida Village Series Nuvali, just call me at my mobile number lang po. And available din po through SMS, Viber, or even my WhatsApp account po. Okay? Tawagan nyo lang po ako. Thank you very much.